In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capital Gold in Clash of Clans, especially if you're just starting out and eager to get the most out of your resources. Whether you're new to the game or just need a refresher on maximizing your gold usage, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in by opening your Clash of Clans app. Once you've got the app up and running, you'll want to access your game. Go ahead and click on Login with Supercell ID. This will ensure that you're connected to your account and all your progress is saved. After successfully logging in, select your account to move forward. This action will take you directly to the Clash of Clans home screen, where all the exciting action happens. Now look for your Elixir Collector, which is a crucial part of your village setup. Give it a click. Here comes an important step. Upgrade your Elixir Collector using gold. You'll see an option to upgrade using gold. Using gold wisely is key to advancing in Clash of Clans, so go ahead and select this upgrade option. Now, once you've made your decision, confirm it. The confirm button ensures that your choice to upgrade is set into motion, so you can watch as your village's capabilities improve. Once upgraded, you'll see that you've successfully used your gold to enhance your Elixir Collector. Congratulations! This is a great way to make use of your resources and strengthen your village. But we're not done yet. Let's head back to the home page. Capital Gold isn't just for upgrades. There's more flexibility with how you can utilize it. You can spend your gold in the shop as well. By clicking Shop, you'll open a world of possibilities, items that can add flair and function to your village. Among the various options in the shop, one section you'll want to check out is Decorations. Decorations can enhance the visual appeal of your village, giving it a unique look and feel that's all your own. As you browse through the decorations, find an item that suits your taste and go ahead and purchase it using your gold. Buying decorations isn't just about aesthetics. It's also about placing your personal stamp on your village. Remember, the game is just as much about strategy as it is about style. By combining strategic upgrades with personalized decorations, you're not only building a stronger village, but crafting a space that's reflective of your gaming style. Keep these steps in mind as you continue to grow your Clash of Clans village, and don't forget to enjoy the process of development and creativity. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most of your gaming resources.